We know that science and technology can change the lives of people. Converting sunlight into electricity and powering a solar lamp with this electricity and using this lamp for replacing a kerosene lamp is a wonderful example of technology changing the lives of people. At IIT Bombay, we have come up with a program, we call it as a Million Soul program. Solar lamp programs have been running in the country for last 30 years. Then there is a question, why don't we see a solar lamp replacing kerosene lamp everywhere in the country? We have observed closely and found out that there are issues with the current solar lamp programs. Typically, the solar lamps are assembled and manufactured in urban areas and then supplied in rural areas. There is no local supply of the solar lamps available, and more importantly, the repair and maintenance facility of the solar lamps are not there in rural areas.
The key aspects of this initiative is to achieve scale, speed and skill development through localization. Assembly and distribution centers have been set up at the block level in partnership with reputed NGOs with a good local presence.
What NGOs do is the local implementation that's being done because they know the local context best. So for example, the assembly and distribution, these are coordinated by the NGOs, and once saturation is achieved, they also kind of mobilize this soul resource centers also.
Using a concept in which the solar lamps are assembled by rural people, they are distributed by rural people, and they are repaired and maintained by rural people. And we call this concept as a localization of solar energy.
The entire assembly and distribution activities have been streamlined, standardized and modularized so that the assembled lamps are of good quality. Also, the distribution is carried out in all the local schools within the block, thus ensuring that every student has an opportunity to buy the lamp.
Today, we have already distributed 6.5 lakh lamps to as many students using this concept of localization of solar energy.
The entire operations process has been designed so that it is easily replicable, which allows us to have several centers and operate in various blocks in parallel across the country in a short time.
A project of this dimension needs multiple collaborations, basically collaboration between government, corporate trusts, NGOs, and IIT is the more facilitator of this project.
And with the help of local people, we can really achieve the speed and scale of a solar lamp program that is required in the country. So with this, let us give a right of light to every child who is going to school.